Hello, my name is John Sayre, Technical Marketing Manager, Civil Infrastructure here at Autodesk. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of the What's New features in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2016, using exclusionary catchments. So what are exclusionary catchments? If a catchment is exclusionary, its boundary and flow path can be modified either by existing catchments as it is being created or by new catchments as they are being created. For example, I'm going to create a catchment from an existing surface. Let me check out my drawing that I want to use out of the vault. And this surface has a channel that you can see that's a very defined channel. We know that we want to break it up. I want an overall drainage area for the channel. Then I'm going to split it in the middle because I may want to add, two separate flows instead of just one flow for the whole channel. So in doing that, I'm gonna build a drainage area, or I'm gonna build a catchment for the overall. So let's go to the Home tab here, and we will do that. Sorry, we'll go to the Analyze tab, and we'll do that by creating a catchment from a surface. And I'm just going to pick right in here, the low point, and we will call this overall. And we'll go ahead and give it a name, area, and properties label style, hit OK, and it's going to create our catchment, right? Now what did it do? It created a catchment and it created our time of concentration line. So I can look here and you can see here's all of the drainage area going to this point. Now I want to create another one, but it's going to be right up here in the middle. Okay. Now before we wouldn't be able to do this. It wouldn't take into account for the overall drainage area that we have shown here whenever we broke it. So you'd have two laying on top of each other. Now when we do it using the exclusionary catchments, I'm going to pick here again. I'll pick right on that TC line. I'm going to leave it exclusionary. All right, I'm going to name this one Section 1. You can name it whatever you want. I'll make sure that my catchment label style is set, hit OK, and it has now broken. Now watch these two labels. If I hit enter, you can see these two labels. It just broke them, and now we have two different areas. So using the exclusionary catchments, we were able to break this surface up into two areas, and it gives us not only one a time of concentration line for the overall, but it also gives us a time of concentration line for the secondary catchment. So if I highlight those, you can see them. And you can see in the areas 10.73 acres for this area and 7.29 for this one. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and have a great day.